It is an honor to be here today at this very crucial side event addressing the threats and opportunities of digital technologies for women in the public eye. I am the Prime Minister of Aruba. I am the first female Prime Minister of Aruba. I will not be the last. And Aruba is a small island in the Caribbean by the coast of South America with a population of 110,000. As a woman in politics, I have experienced firsthand the power of digital platforms to amplify voices, to connect with communities, and to advocate for progress. Yet, I have also seen how these same platforms can be weaponized to intimidate, to silence, and to undermine women who dare to lead. The reality is that the public life is not just about service. It is about resilience. Every day, women in leadership navigate scrutiny, misinformation, and online abuse, issues that disproportionately affect us simply because of our gender. And this is not just a personal challenge. It is a threat to democracy when women are forced to silence or withdraw from public discourse. In Aruba, social media usage is among the highest in the region. And according to the diagnostics of the technology divide on Aruba, a study done in 2022, over 90% of the population actively engages with digital platforms. And this connectivity provides incredible opportunities for civic engagements, but also it exposes public figures, especially women, to heightened risks of online harassment, misinformation, and abuse. But today, we are here to reclaim our spaces, to ensure that digital technologies are not barriers, but bridges, tools for empowerment, inclusion, and equality. We must strengthen legislation, accountability, and corporate responsibility to protect women's voices, both online and offline. Aruba stands in solidarity with global efforts to combat technology-facilitated violence. We believe in a digital world where women can lead, women can express, and women can challenge without fear. Together, we must demand safer platforms, stronger policies, and a global commitment to protecting women in leadership. So let us please continue this conversation, not in whispers, but in bold, firm voices, because when women lead, both in politics and in the digital sphere, the future is stronger for everyone. Thank you.